Hi, I'm Johnny with onlinelabels.com, and today we're going to go over 3 ways to improve your packages to enhance your customer's experience. Your customer's experience with your company continues on even after they make an order on your site. After receiving their package, the unboxing experience can do a lot to improve customer loyalty because the details matter. Personalizing shipping boxes with custom labels and stickers is an easy way to extend customer appreciation, encourage engagement on your social media accounts, and show that your company cares about the items arriving safely to your customers. Now, let's get into the 3 ways you can improve your product packaging to improve your overall customer experience. Social media plays a huge role in promoting any business. Sharing valuable content and engaging with your audience is a great way to improve sales and increase your trustworthiness to your customers. And encourage your customers to like and follow your brand by leaving a custom follow us sticker on your packages. We'll link a few of our favorite ready-made designs for these stickers in the description below. Customers choose to support small businesses to receive higher quality goods, support the creators, and build up the local economy. Show your customer appreciation with a thank you sticker and let your customers know how much their order means to you. A short handwritten note can also do a lot to make a huge impact. Your customers want to know their decision to support your small business is appreciated. Other great additions to your product packaging are customer loyalty cards, product review requests, samples, and more. With any fragile packaging, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Including a fragile sticker on your boxes can help carriers know to take extra care with your orders. Doing this will also show your customers that you took the extra step to ensure their packages arrive intact. Pre-printed shipping labels are great options for designs you know you'll use a lot of. Fragile stickers, for example, are great options to order pre-printed. We'll include links in the description below to all of our most popular pre-printed shipping label options. Give a reason for your customers to rave about their unboxing experience. We've written an article that we'll link in the description below to help you create an unforgettable unboxing experience. We hope you find these tips helpful and inspiring as you think about how to make your brand stand out and improve customer loyalty. For more small business resources, information about our pre-printed stickers and other products, be sure to visit us at onlinelabels.com.